Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing. Yep, I bought myself a pair of speakers. There you go. They've got dancing water speakers, they're called. And the reason I bought these is because I wanted something a little bit different from just the normal speakers, something that physically stimulating, if you like. And obviously I also wanted something that had quite a good sound, and I looked on the internet, and these have got a very good rating. They've got 4.5 out of 5 with very little negatives, and I think it was about 261 reviews. So I thought, well, that sounds alright. So I thought I'll give them a go, see what they turn out like. And like I say, I wanted something a little bit different, and also when I have visitors round, like Christmas, we've got Christmas coming up, I thought they'd be nice. They look nice, look more Christmassy, if you like. So that's the reason I bought them. I've got ordinary, just plain speakers, but I didn't want ordinary plain speakers, so I thought I'd go for these. So I'll quickly show you around the box before I start doing the unboxing. Looks quite a normal sort of box, but it looks quite nice. Got some Q codes on the side there, and obviously some pictures and instructions about, you know, what's inside and that. So the USB, but also I believe they're wireless. Yes, wireless and fountain illumination. There you go. So yeah, the other thing, the reason I bought them, because they're wireless, so you can put them anywhere, as long as they're within range, obviously, of the device. So that'd be handy. So let's get on with the unboxing then, shall we? Nicely packaged, nothing special. Oh right, so nothing else in the box. So there you go, there's the speakers. SoundSOUL user manual. It says total power 6 watts, so that's good. So nothing to show you much on there. It says connect to laptops, smartphones, pocket games. Obviously, hopefully the PC will better do. I'll send it back. There's the instructions. Look, that's about it really. User manual. Nothing you can see on the back. So let's have a look. Comes off easy enough. Oh, here's your cabling tucked in between. Let's check the cabling out, shall we? So what have you got? Oh, it's 3 different plugs. So obviously that connects to your phones, hopefully, or your game console. So you can connect it to that. And then you've got mini USB to normal USB, so that connect to your PC, and obviously that'd probably be your charger as well, I'm guessing. I could be wrong. And then you've got your jack plugs. What's that, 3.5 I think you call that? I'm guessing again, but probably right. And then obviously you've got your speakers. Let's have a look. So SoundSOUL, dancing water, says SoundSOUL there, and dancing water in black. And you've got your single connection there, and then on this one, looking at it, you've got your jack plug, you've got your USB mini, and then you've got your link on the back and the bottom. Can you see that? Hopefully you can. All right, on the front you've got some buttons. What's it say on it about the buttons? Not a lot. Oh right, step 1, connect. Oh, it's about connections. I'll read all that later. You've got a little light on there to show it's on and that as well. So we'll try that out sometime. Yeah, it looks alright. I'll do a video, connect it to the end of this video of them up and running, and I'll tell you how easy it was to connect or not. From what I've read, it's pretty easy, so they should be alright. But there you go, that's it. That's my new speakers. Oh, and I've got a bit of rubber on the bottom by the sound of it. Yeah, they have actually, yeah, I can feel it. So yeah, rubber strip there, and another rubber strip there. Which is better really, better than putting it on plastic on wood, you know. Oh, yeah, I think they look quite nice. Just hope the sound's good. And the dancing water, of course. But we'll find out. Right, that's it. Anyway, before I go, in the description I will put a link in there for where you can buy the product. And if you have any comments, please post them below. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. And please remember to subscribe. It's nice to get lots of subscribers. Thank you very much for watching.